Wherever you are, yes, we are recording our live right now, our session, because we have other friends who will be seeing this on a different date. And I know we are all very excited because we still have 150 attendees and counting. But before that, let's just set this session first. Allow me to introduce myself. I'm Kai or Kai. I see you in the Discord chats. And I've just recently joined the community and it's been very overwhelming. Thank you so much for the team for welcoming me. I will be the new operation lead and ensuring that you have the best trading experience. So we have a lot in store for you, so watch out for that. Okay, just a quick audio check. Are you hearing me clear? Am I coming in very clear? Yes. Okay, there you go. Thank you for that. Okay, audio is back. So again, welcome everyone. And before we start, because I know you're very excited and you want to hear from our speakers, our seasoned expert traders, let's just set, kumustahan muna tayo guys. Please chat in the chat box and say your name and where you're from. Hello, good evening. So let me start. I'm Kai from all the way from Cebu. So Bisaya ko. Hello, Clement Cruz from Quezon City. Anywhere from, yes, actually it's Sinulog here, so very festive. Hello, Ray from Bohol. Nestor from Laguna. So welcome, welcome. Neil from Qatar. Ronnie from QC. Alan from Dubai. O diba, all around the world na po tayo. Our Izanagi trading community is not just in the Philippines, but we are expanding. Yes, Bisaya ra jud kayo. Bisda kaayo, Sir Lloyd. Marie from Laguna. Edison from Valenzuela, not Venezuela, but Valenzuela. Ramil from Pasig. So please continue on. We want this session to be engaging. Yes, let's see you in the chats. Ang daming tao. Yes, Bitsenyor. Hello from Batangas. So please continue the chat. So just to set some house rules, please stay off cam and unmute unless you want to ask questions. But the very important thing is this is a safe space to learn and let's have an active participation and engagement. Please do share your thoughts in the chats or unmute later on if you want to ask questions. So are you ready? De, pa-chat naman ng 100 if you are ready to hear. Guys, 100 para yung unang maka-chat, makaka 1 million this year. Oh, yun, 100. Yeah, so we're very excited. Yeah, so just to set expectation as well, this is for Shadow 3.0. We will be understanding all about it. So, eto po yung if naka-old shadow na po kayo before, we would like to know what's the difference. Why is it the best, probably the best version of 3.0? I think you've been seeing the teasers na may TP na siya. Actually, may mga lesser drawdowns, may intervals na rin na suggested na pips. So we'll be hearing more of that. Pwede din pa chat, what are your expectations for this session? Anong mga initial questions nyo? Please do that. And then if bago ka din sa shadow like me, then we would also know ano ba yung strategy? How will we be starting our strategy for this year? So for old shadow users or for new shadow users, this is for you. Halatang pumaldo sa GBP pairs. Yun. So we're very excited. So let's get the ball rolling and let's meet our guest speakers. O, diba? We're waiting for them, mga idol natin. Ito po silang dalawa is ano po, financially free na po, financially independent. And ito po yung mga idol natin kasi we also want to achieve financial freedom, di ba? Ang sarap. So let's meet our speakers. Of course, first of all, yung sinasabi niyang trading para sa mga taong busy, making your trades easy. Let's hear from Mr. Wise Investor John
Hello
Penetrante. Hello,
guys,
hello.
gandang gabi. Yon.
Please join us.
Hello everybody. Good evening.
Good evening.
Yon.
Fresh na
Okay.
fresh. Hello,
Ayan.
John.
Yon.
And
And of course,
course as well, yung unang naka-achieve ng financial freedom, sir. And let's get
matanda.
rich together. Yun, di
Yan.
ba? Dapat sama-sama. So let's welcome Sir Lloyd Bazar.
Yeah.
Virtual clap naman dyan. Ang popogi daw, sir.
Pasensya na if nag-echo kasi magkatabi lang kami
Oh, katabi.
ngayon.
Wow.
So nag-echo.
Okay, kung ba
Hindi
din naman
naman
ah.
halata.
Hindi
Kamusta mga sir?
Nakamute ka kasi.
Mga idol?
Ah. All right.
Ah.
Good evening. Very festive sang Cebu ngayon. Hopefully you guys are doing well. Are you doing, Kai? Okay naman traffic?
I don't have plans of going out. Goals na. I had fun before, pero ngayon, I don't like the traffic anymore. So, dito lang sa bahay.
Ayan nga eh. All right. Sige. Well, good evening everyone. Hopefully you are excited as we are. Um, Wala, more profits to come, 'di ba? More profits to come. You know how effective I mean, it's not just Izanagi, but our shadow technique strategy has been. And all throughout the year, we've been observing and we wanted to improve the services to you guys. And ito na yun, Shadow 3.0. We're gonna be discussing it this evening. Just basically means at the end of the day, more profits and easier money for us, di ba?
Sir Lloyd, please make it simple. Kasi nakita ko si Ma'am Apple already doing shadow right now. So,
Oh,
amazing. So, please teach it the way you taught Apple na parang very
oh,
super easy and simple for us na
sure,
mga
sure.
bago as well.
No problem, no problem.
Bumenta ng sobrang lupit
Oo nga
Oo.
eh.
Inupuan ko buong
Nakita ko
gabi daw
pang
eh.
travel.
Isang upuan ni Apple, isang araw ng upuan, that was almost 100% ng capital niya. So that was amazing. Pero yeah,
Galing.
we're going to teach it to you guys.
Sige, go. Let's do this.
All right, so let's start. If you're already, can I have a number 8 on the chat box? Yan, let's go. Yon. Yan. Okay. Yan, nakikita ba yung screen ko, Sir Lloyd?
Yeah.
Yan. Ayos. I hope you guys are all ready for Shadow 3.0. Just to set expectation nga, no, na this Shadow 3.0 is one of the best version na nakita natin to really update you guys and to help you because at the end of the year, we want to see more millionaires. Yan, oh. How, for this year, begin with an end in mind. How much yung profit na gusto mo? Kasi sabi nga nila, once you declare it, it will happen eh. Diba? Magkano ang profits na nakikita mo that you can achieve this year? Or sabihin natin kung maglalagay ka na ng isa, grabihan mo na. Libre lang naman mangarap, di ba? Yan. 10M. Oh, wag niyo sa akin i-send. Tama, new message. 3M, 10M agad, di ba? So kahit 10% ng 10M, magkano? 500,000 din yun, di ba? Oh, di ba? So 1M. You know guys, it's possible kasi marami nakagawa last year. Even shout out to those who achieve millions and February malalaman yung sino pa yung iba. Yan yung isang very good update. Kaya tayo magta-transition lahat sa Discord. And with new Shadow 3.0 and more products that we would have this year will really help you achieve that. And that's our goal, di ba Sir Lodge? Yan ang pinaka-goal namin eh. Is to help you guys
Yes,
achieve that.
definitely.
Okay. So, ready na tayo. So, disclaimer lang guys, kung anong gagawin nyo sa pera nyo yan because trading forex is still high risk, no? And that's why only put the money that you can afford to lose. At the end of the day, kung pipindot, the strategy is there, may kumita, but if you would not do it properly, of course, may risk pa din involved. And that's why stick with the process and you are responsible to your own trading. Do we agree on that? Yes. Can I have a yes? Yes on the chat box. Yan. All right, game. Okay, so una, the question is, if we look into it, nag-usap kami nila Sir Lloyd, nila Jay, lahat, no? Ano ba yung mga concerns ng mga tao when it comes to 2.0? Last year, we've launched this. Of course, a lot of you guys, a lot of newbies especially, don't really understand what retracement is. 'Di ba? So, hindi nila alam kung valid pa ba yung shadow o invalid na, no? Kung nag-retrace na pero binabanatan pa ulit. So, that's very dangerous. And aside from that, of course, the market changes. Usually 6 to 12 months nagbabago yung market dynamics. Sabi nga ng mga some experts, 4 months may bagong dynamics. Your strategy may not be working this year. Pwedeng hindi na yan mag-work that year. So you need to optimize it always. And aside from that, a lot of newbies really don't know saan magtitipi. 'Di ba? TP sila, diretso, mabilis lang or minsan titipin nila pinaka-maximum ng TP which is very dangerous as well. And that's why this is the goal of the Shadow 3.0 is to optimize and to guide you well the most easiest. 'Di ba? Yan. All right, so what's an edge? What's an edge? Yeah, the definition, of course, is we use historical backtesting and always yan ang sabi ni Sir Lord, you enter on the worst trade ng bot so you could really start profiting. Because shadow trading is the next level of manual trading. I think we're the only community that is utilizing this. No community in the world, I believe, na gumagamit ng ganitong klaseng power ng manual trading that leverages on algorithm trading and you put manual trading as well. And aside from that, kinukuha mo yung latest backtesting from historical ng 3 years in each every pair and enter the most strategic to cash in huge profits on reversals. And aside from that, it combines the best of both worlds, the accuracy of reliability ng manual trading and flexibility as well ng manual trading plus the AI as well. Okay? So, ano ba yung mga bago ngayon for Shadow 3.0? Yan, of course. On this Shadow 3.0, makikita nyo na kagad yung drawdown nyo pag nag-enter kayo at a specific level. Nothing will change when it comes to the levels kayo mag-enter. Pero kita mo na kagad. Pag nag-enter ako ng level 4 ng OddCAD, shout out sa mga OddCAD, di ba? Pag nag-enter ako ng 0.01, magkano drawdown ko dun sa worst niya before it retraces. Yan, di ba? Kita mo na kagad ang drawdown ko. Kasi para hindi ka blindly sunog ka kagad, di ba? Meron akong, before we continue. Go.
Yeah, before we continue, lahat ba dito may experience na sa Shadow or may mga bago na wala pa experience sa Shadow? I think may mga bago pa, no?
Okay, sige, tanong natin yung audience. Gaano kadaming sa inyo guys already experienced
Maybe we can
Shadow
explain
or
Shadow lang muna.
confidence in trading Shadow? From 1 to 10. 10 is your confidence to trading Shadow. 1
Yung wala
is
pa.
first time mo.
1 is your first time. Tignan ko lang kasi we want to explain what Shadow. Kasi nagsasabi tayo nito, hindi pa pala nila alam anong Shadow. We have 10s, we have 9s, we have 1s. Alright, so marami tayong newbie. I just wanted to know that. Maybe we can, before we continue, para hindi kayo mag-nosebleed, we want to explain what Shadow is. Okay, ganito po yan. Si Izanagi po, everything is rooted kay Izanagi. Automated trading, algorithm trading. Ang pinakamahirap kasi na part when it comes to trading is maghanap ng posisyon, di ba? Maghanap ng trade. Yun yung pinaka-first part and most important part. That's the hardest part when it comes to trading. Here, ang ginagawa natin is si Izanagi na po, yung bot program, ang bahala sa trade, maghanap ng trade. What we do is, we just look at the trades of Izanagi dito sa Shadow, tingnan natin yung trades ni Izanagi, and then meron tayong signals na ibibigay sa inyo na libre so that you will know how to read the trades of Izanagi para makita nyo kung saan yung mga magagandang trades ni Izanagi. Well, how do we know that a trade of Izanagi is good? Let's say for example, since karamihan sa inyo may Izanagi na, si Izanagi na yung 6 pairs lang, yung bot natin yung ginagamit nyo, trades only 6 pairs, yung major pairs, di ba? Izanagi's win rate, if you look at the MyFX book, is 71% tayo ngayon, di ba? 70% yung win rate. That's already very good trading. That is all the levels na binabay ni Izanagi. Level 1, meaning unang bili, mag-average down siya on the second buy. Level 2, level 3, yung pangatlong bili, and so on and so forth. So, Si Izanagi with all those trades combined has 71% win rate. We want to leverage on that high win rate. Gamitin natin yan. Kasi ang ganda ng win rate, di ba? Bakit hindi natin gamitin yung skills ni Izanagi in looking for the best trades? And imagine sa Izanagi, on the third level, pangatlong buy ni Izanagi, that win rate increases to 90%. Nasa 90% na ang win rate ni Izanagi. Sa level 3 pa lang. Meaning, ang pangatlong buy, even the fourth one, ang fourth one, mas mataas pa ang percentage ng win rate ni Izanagi on the fourth buy. That level 3 or level 4, those are the best trades of Izanagi. Now, si Izanagi, yung ginagamit natin na usual ni Izanagi is 6 lang naman na pairs ang tinitrade, di ba? And sobrang ganda na ng win rate natin. And our data says that on those 6 pairs, level 4 is the best time to start copying Izanagi. Yun na yung signal natin, level 4. Pag nag-level 4 si AUD, USD, like yesterday, pag nag-level 4, kopyahin nyo na. That's the shadow technique right there. At level 4, that's our signal to buy. Si Shadow 3.0 or si Shadow Technique, etong nakikita nyo ngayon chart na ngayon, trades not only the 6 pairs but all the pairs that you are seeing on the screen right now. And we have historical data to tell you na anong level dapat mo susundin or sasabayan yung bot program. Let's say, for example, yung pinakauna dyan, odd CAD, AUD CAD. Okay? Level 9, natin dapat susundan, di ba? So makikita nyo dyan, can you mouse over the levels, pre? Yung pinakauna, si AUD CAD, historical data natin is level 9, dapat, makikita nyo yung chart nito di ba? Level 9, that's the signal that Izanagi gives na pwede na nating sabayan si OddCAD. So on and so forth, si Euro GBP, level 10. Si GBP AUD, level 11. So kung titignan nyo yung ngayon, yung bibigyan kasi ka namin kayo ng access ng demo account, makikita nyo lahat ng trades ni Izanagi doon. Pag nakita mo si Izanagi demo na may siyam na AUD CAD, meaning level 9 na, now that's the time that you shadow or follow Izanagi on the AUD CAD trade. So meaning sobrang dali na ngayon ng trades mo kasi si Izanagi na naghahanap ng trades. Sa'yo na lang, antayin mo na lang na mag-level 9. Uy, nag-level 9 si OddCAD sa demo account. Sasabayan ko na ngayon sa account ko. That is shadow and it's already a proven strategy. Sobrang dali na lang kasi yung pinakamahirap na part na naghahanap pa kayo ng trades is ginagawa na ng algorithm. Yung part na lang na bibili and bebenta, yun na lang yung aaralin natin. So it's a much easier trade for you and that's shadow technique.
Yeah,
so hopefully that's clear.
Yeah, so to add to that, if you also see this, that's why the Shadow 2.0 is recommending you to start shadowing at level 8 to 10. Because if you average all of this level, including the mid-risk, low-risk and mid-risk, nakakakuha ka ng trades near the bottom of all these pairs.
Yes.
So kaya ka papasok. That's shadow technique. The difference is, shadow technique, you have all the pairs of the Forex market. Izanagi, you can only access 6 pairs. So I think yung mga naka-invite na nag-join ng 1, wala pa silang shadow technique, Sir Lloyd.
I don't think so. Wala pa
Kaya
sila.
pala sila.
At least na-explain natin sa kanila.
No?
At least na-explain natin sa kanila how Shadow 3.0 works. Basically, the heavy lifting o looking for the trades, yung algorithm na natin ang bahala. Atin na lang, sundin na lang. Just look at this chart. Anong level? Level 9, level 8, level 9, or 10. Pwede nyo nang sundin. Then it's already calculated, lot sizes. All you need to do is just follow, have the discipline. At first, actually, follow, have the discipline until you grasp the strategy. Then you can branch out from the strategy, which is what our millionaires in shadows are doing. Pero this is the next step to becoming a millionaire. Hopefully, pagtuunan nyo po ng pansin, put time in it, in learning it, experiencing it. And then, next step niya na is real money with real funds and hopefully your first million in trading.
Yes. And more into that, if you already will create your shadow account under Go Markets, may onboarding video do that would explain all of this.
Yes.
Okay? So for now, the main objective after Sir Lloyd explaining the shadow technique in general is to update you what's next for the previous year shadow? Anong iniba natin? Bakit mas maganda siyang i-trade ngayon? Bakit mas maganda akong mag-create ngayon ng Go Markets account and fund at least $500? Yan ang gusto nating pag-usapan ngayon gabi. Okay? Because on the previous Shadow 2.0, okay, hindi intact yung culture natin ng risk management. Kasi hindi nila alam objectively saan magtitipi, saan sila totally papasok, anong pip interval yung gagamitin nila. Okay? And aside from that, hindi nila alam, okay, saan ba ako talaga papasok dito aside sa 8 to 10 levels? Ano ba magiging total drawdown ko? Diba?
Yes.
So, yan ang gusto natin pag-usapan tonight. Is this the pairs right now optimized? How do we now customize when it comes to your PIF intervals, your lot sizing? No, hindi na surprise na masusunog ka. Pag nasunog ka, it's really your fault already.
Naging greedy ka na.
Naging greedy ka na. Okay, yun yung main import. Yun yung pinakamagandang update ng Shadow 2.0. 3.0. So kung wala ka pang 3.0 and you can still follow on this, kailangan mo munang pagdaanan what is Shadow. Okay, so para as we go along later, you would understand how to execute Shadow. Now, what's the main difference for Shadow 2.0 in detail to the new Shadow 3.0? Let's look at the time frame the bot is using. If you notice, Shadow 3 2.0 is 100% automated bot and using 5-minute time frame. Marami kasi nagtatanong, ano ba pinagkaiba ni Izanagi kay Shadow? Una, si Izanagi is really based on very, very conservative approach. Okay? Marami siyang trademark na conservative yung approach niya, how it approach the market. Supervised algorithm nga siya eh. Sabihin, may tao nagko-control in behind. Okay? Kaya sobrang conservative siya. Si Shadow 2.0, using a 5-minute time frame, walang nagsusupervise yan. Pinapabayaan lang yan siya. Kaya enter ng worst trades niya based on historical backtesting. Okay? Ang in-update natin dito is we wanted to be more conservative para pag pumasok ka, medyo sure na. Yan. Kaya ginawa natin from 5-minute time frame, gusto nating makita, papasok muna yung robot at 15-minute time frame. Yan. So hindi na siya 5-minute. So si Izanagi is still 5 minutes, pero si Shadow already is 15-minute time frame ang ginagamit na candle. So kung papansin mo, isipin mo siya, mas conservative palalo yung approach niya.
Mas mabagal.
Mas mabagal siya kumuha ng trades. For you, para sa inyo to eh, para mas maging careful kayo on following the bot's trades. Aside from that, pip interval. Shadow 2.0, fix tayo guys, 30 pips. Diba? Fix tayo na from 25 ni Izanagi, 20 pips ni Izanagi, ito 30 natin for more conservative. Ngayon, ginawa natin, in-optimize natin, binaktest natin lahat ng pairs. Ano bang pip interval rightful for the volatility ng pair na yon?
Yeah. Let me just butt in lang konti. For the newbie's sake, yung pip intervals po is, ganito po kasi yan, when Shadow buys a certain pair at a level, makakalculate mo na yan kung saan yung susunod na buy. That way, we can already set auto buys on next levels. Now, yung pip intervals na yan, dati sa Shadow 2.0, fix on all pairs. That is 30 pips, di ba? 25. Yung Shadow 2.0. 20 pips. So meaning kung nagbili ka ngayon dito, after 20 pips, alam mo na yung susunod na level. But that is pip interval. So dati, 2.0, fix lahat 20 pips lahat ng pair. Dito, pinag-aralan pa namin para makita mo kung ano yung pinakamagandang pip interval for a certain pair. So let's say for example, Euro USD, 20 pips. For OddCAD, 30 pips. So 30 pips tayo doon. Mas optimized na siya. Meaning, mas lesser ang risk, mas maganda ang profits natin.
Very well explained. Okay? So right now, at least makikita mo na kaagad kung may early access ka. Okay, gagamitin ko ba doon ng 30 pips, 25 pips, or I can be aggressive. So it's up to you, pero at least may recommended na doon on the Shadow 3.0. So para hindi ka na malilito, ano bang gagamitin kong pip interval? Kailan ba akong ano bang gagamitin kong klaseng strategy dito? So ngayon, andun na, integrated na siya. Okay? Now, another problem that we provided solution for you guys, okay, is the retracement or the TP. Now, let me explain the TP. So, ito example, Izanagi is doing a buy position. Diba? Nag-average siya.
Teka lang, pre, hindi naka-show.
So, ayan, sorry. Nag-average siya.
Hindi naka-show yung screen mo.
Yan, okay. Okay na. Yan.
Yan.
So it's averaging. Example, bibili siya level 1 at level 10. Yan. This is one first buy, average, 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 and the 10 buy. Okay? What Izanagi's TP is what we call 50% retracement. It will TP sa gitna ng lahat ng position niya, which is the fifth buy. Yan. So this is the 50% retracement. So si TP ni Izanagi mo at si Shadow, pareho lang sila ng TP at 50% retracement, dyan siya magti-TP. So kung hindi mo naiintindihan to, pag nakikita ka ng 8 positions, anong TP niya? On the chat box. Gitna. Anong gitna? Level 4. Pag level 12 na siya bumili, ang TP niya, anong position niya? Tingin nyo. Level 6, di ba? So that's the 50% retracements. And that's what Izanagi is doing now on your automated trades and Izanagi 2.0. Ang in-update natin sa Shadow 3.0, okay, is hindi na 50% retracement. We wanted to make sure that you would not trade already maximum but optimize 30% retracement lang. So kumbaga sa 10 trades, nagtitipi na yung bot at 30%. Kindly type 100 if naintindihan na yon. Okay, para I would explain even further kung bakit 30% natin. Okay. Yan. Okay, bakit? Kasi yung 2.0 na backtesting, kaya ang daming high-risk pairs or even yung mga bot sa labas na susunog, it's because they're maximizing the 50% retracement and that's very, very dangerous.
Greedy na siya, bale.
Yes.
Medyo, hindi naman siya fully greedy, but especially with the current market situation, medyo shaky ang investors, hindi galang gumagalaw. 50% is kind of greedy already and we want to eliminate that. Ang dami kasing hindi nakakapag-TP because inintay pa yung 50%. Diba? Now, TP na tayo at 30%, so it's easier to TP now. It's faster to TP. Yeah, lesser ang profits, pero mas maganda na yun kaysa walang profits. Diba? Oo.
Or masunog, di ba? Kasi bakit? This is what we noticed. Nakakita ka ng mid to risk pairs, tapos nag-retrace siya 45%. So, di ba? 5% na yon. Difference from the TP. Tapos babagsak ulit, magbe-breakdown. Okay, ikaw nakita mo, nag-45% retracement, 5% na TP, hindi niya nakuha. Iti-trade mo pa ulit to? O hindi na? Kayo? Yes or no? Di ba? 5% from the TP, ha? Majority of you answer no, but do you know, guys, what we observe? A lot of you are still trading this. Okay, so meaning, this is a healthy bounce already of the market. Already, na very dangerous, na sasaluhin mo pa ulit yung baba. Kasi most of the time, this can be a counter trend already. Hindi na yan pabor sa'yo on the trend condition ng market. Kasi minsan nga may 49% retracement, 1% lang din exit ng bot. Kasi nga, 100% fully automated siya, si Shadow eh. Compare kay Izanagi, may manual intervention. Okay? So dapat hindi na to tinitrade. Nangyayari, okay, hindi natatanggal ng admins or hindi na mo monitor, may nagtitrade pa din na iba. So that could be dangerous to all of you guys. So pag may nakikita kami, tinatanggalan namin yung pair na yun kahit may ikakatlo siya para hindi niya na-trade. Pero on Shadow 3.0, we optimize it at 30% retracement to 40% maximum para makompute natin as a healthy bounce already. Don't trade this anymore. Okay? Type 100 if you appreciate that, guys. Ayan. Okay. Aside from that, kahit hindi mo nahintayin, makikita mo na yung TP value. Susundan mo na lang.
Oo.
Di ba? Wala ka nang gagawin. Pag nakita mo din yung TP, sundan mo yung TP. Yun na yun. Okay? So, backtest max DD per value. It's already been there. In-optimize natin yan, guys. And equity loss calculation. So, you would know now. May nagtatanong kasi, ano bang cut loss ni Shadow? Again, wala. Pero kung gusto mag-cut loss, makikita mo na kung hanggang saan ka.
If dati hinuhulaan nyo pa or kinakalculate nyo pa saan yung TP, ngayon makikita nyo na may linya na yung TP line. Makikita nyo na. So, when you set your auto TPs, yun na, kita na agad.
Yes. All right. So the insight here, and the reason why I want to have an insight that the reason why we're using a 15-minute time frame, because we want you guys to be more conservative in the spirit of our risk management. Kasi ayaw natin ng sobrang daming iti-trades nyo. At the end of the day, sunod-sunod pa. Okay? And not just that, at least yung pip interval ng bot would be higher. Okay? Kasi hinintay pa niya mag-close yung candle on a 15-minute time frame. So pag nagkakaroon ng mga flash crash, protected tayo doon. O makikita nyo, even you guys will be protected. Kasi hintay mo niya mag-close yung candle at 15 minutes. Hindi kayo talaga totally ma-flash out. Like yung GBP USD, di ba? Daming bot na sunog nun. So since he's using a 15-minute time frame na candle, tapos hintay talaga niya mag-close bago niya i-consider na this is a level already added to the trades. Okay? So ito yung itsura ng Shadow 2.0. Yeah, so nakita niyo lang level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So on that level, 14, anong level yung TP ni bot sa Shadow 2.0? Yan. Saan dyan? Sa 14. 'Di ba? Near the 7th value. So dito yung Shadow 2.0, yung mga bago hindi naintindihan. Oh, yung sa 2.0 hindi niya naintindihan. Ano ba yung retracement, 'di ba? So ang dami talagang naintindihan. Now, yung 3.0, ayun na. Kita mo na, dito pala mag-TP si bot. Anong value yan? Set ko na lang. Tapos tulog na ako. Yeah. Set ko na lang. Ito pala yung TP. Ayan. Okay. Tapos aside from that, di ba napapansin nyo guys, sino ba na meron ng data na may 1, 2, 3, 4. Di ba? May 1, 2, 3. Tapos biglang mag-jump yung lot size ng 0.50. Di ba? Pansin nyo? So, ibig sabihin, yun yung first level pa natin na ko-consider. Hindi na yung 1. Ang shadow bot natin is entering on the 5th trade. So, ibig sabihin, ang level 1 natin as manual traders is not the 1. Is the level 5 already. Parang nilagyan nating semi-shadow, filter, plus shadow technique pa. Ganun kabigat. Kaya makikita mo na parang, oy, level 1 na pala to. Pero sa Shadow 3.0 mo, level 1 pa yun. Okay? Para hindi ka na susunod sa level 5, level 1 mo pa lang yun, makikita mo na. Kita nyo guys? Diba? Sa Shadow 3.0 nyo ng mga access, 1, 2, 3 bilang tatalon. 4 tapos 5. Sa atin, Shadow users, level 1 pa lang ngayon. Level 1 pa lang. For us to be protected and alam natin saan tayo bobomba. Okay? And ito yung maganda dyan. We already forward tested the bot automated. From January 5, all pairs, 14 pairs, tinanggal natin yung mga high, sineparate natin. No? The bot is working on its own. From 2022 to 2024, 2 taon yan made almost 300%. May few pairs dyan, I think that's EuroCAD. 62% yung drawdown. So, ibig sabihin, the bot is working. Tapos kukunin mo pa yung best trades niyan. Kung yung best trades ng bot niya, magkano tingin mo kita mo dyan, no? Kasi yung bot nagdo-drawdown, ikaw hindi. Diba? You're entering the best trades of the bot as explained kay Sir Lloyd. Go, Sir Lloyd.
Yeah. Again, ano to yung nakikita niyong percentage is raw bot trade pa lang yan hindi pa naka-shadow yan. So here, hindi natin makikita yung win rate niya. Pero on our filter na level 8, average on a level 8 type papasok, meaning yun yung mga magagandang trades ng bot. Yun yung kokopyahin natin. So we will be copying the best trades of the program. Imagine the profits there. Sobrang ganda. Diba?
Yan. So again, let's review the steps. Okay, so I think a lot of you already got the demo account. So saan kayo kukopya ng trades? Pwede. Sige, pwede natin. Let's review your question before we continue. Sige, that's a good idea. Okay. Ang mga Q&A. Unahin natin. JP Cruz from Angeles, Pampanga. Ayaw pala to.
Yes, hello. Ang daming
Ayan.
questions na actually, but
Sige, go
most of the
Kai.
questions are more on the basics of Shadow and Izanagi. What's the difference? Where do they see the trades? where do they enter, how much yung account na dapat nasa funds nila. So, yun yung usually na question.
Okay, sige. Question natin. Yung mga nagtanong na saan natin makikita yung trades, do you have a Go Markets account? Yes or no? So ikaw kung nagtanong ka and you have the same questions, do you already file or create your Go Markets account? Yes or no? If that's a yes, may onboarding video din tayo doon. If that's a no, ibig sabihin, wala pa tayong Go Markets account. So hindi mo pa napanood yun.
Don't worry, pag just follow the steps of the registration. Pag na-check namin na okay na yung account mo, you will have access to the video, yung onboarding. Andun yung steps how you can access the demo account. Doon mo makikita yung trades ng Shadowbot. So, doon mo siya kokopyahin. Anyways, mamaya na yun. Makikita nyo naman yan. Walang problema yan. How much is the safest minimum fund for drawdown para makopy Shadow 3.0 from level 1? Kasi I think si Shadow 2.0 around 4 3 KUSD. Huwag nyo kokopyahin level 1. Masyadong greedy na yan. Punta tayo, di ba level 8 pa nga dapat di ba? Oh, pwede 5 kasi 15 minutes naman tayo. But yeah, there's no need to copy level 1. Nakita nyo po yung drawdown pag level 1 yung kokopyahin, 62.22%. That's on your screen right now. So I don't want you to feel that kasi mas stress kayo niyan. Level 5 lang. Level 5 at the very least, pinaka-aggressive natin. 'Di ba? So, may recommend 500 pa rin, 'di ba?
Yes, 500 pa din. As long that's very safe already at $500. Kasi later I will let you see guys on each pair, makikita mo yung worst drawdown niya if you
Sagutin
enter
ko nga
early
ulit
or
to.
if you enter worst.
Sagutin ko nga ulit to. Architrades, I understand the purpose why gusto mo kopyahin kahit level 1, kopyahin mo pa rin because you want more profits. That's not the right mindset when it comes to Shadow. Safety is the right mindset. So, kung gusto mo mas malaki ang kita, just follow the same strategy for Shadow 3.0, level 5 at the very least kung gusto mo aggressive. The proper way, the right way for you to increase your income is to increase the capital size. Yun lang. Don't worry about that. Yun lang yung pinaka-safe talaga so that it will not increase your risk. Okay?
Yeah, sige.
There's also another question here from MG. Since close ng 15-minute candle ang babasehan, so limit order is not fixed. For example, yung AUD CHF is 20 pips. Posible ba na di nasusunod ang 20 pips? Posible na maging
No.
30 pips ang next entry based on
Yes.
close?
Yeah.
Yes. The minimum pip interval is just a minimum. So, ibig sabihin, if the candle closed above 30 pips and the candle closed above the first, as long as it has the minimum 20 pips, it can be a pip interval of 30, 40,
Pwede pa
35.
umakyat yan. No?
Pwede pa. Basta minimum niya is 20. Bakit naman ginawan 20? Because it works on the backtesting. Hindi siya, okay, hulaan ko lang 20 pips dapat interval. Okay, it was set from the backtesting. Buhay, tinrade niya ng strategy past 3 years on that specific level at nagtitipi siya. Okay, kaya iba-iba siya ng pair kasi iba-iba yung volatility. So, okay, it works on a 15-minute time frame plus 20 pips on that specific pair. Kaya yun yung recommended kasi based on backtesting, if you do automated bot on its own, it will survive on the past 3 years. Fresh past 3 years. Go. May question pa?
Meron dito si Alfred, dito siya sa nag-a-ask sa chat room talaga nag-a-ask steps.
Sige, go. Tingnan natin dito. Pero di ba level 4 so invalid siya despite being level 4? Okay. Okay, guys. On this presentation, wear the hat of Shadow 3.0. Okay? Ibig sabihin, yung gagayahin mo ditong demo ay Shadow 3.0. Now, for Izanagi, kaya siya level 4 kasi nga mas conservative siya. Hindi siya pinapabayaan na bot. Kaya natin i-recommend at level 4 kasi bago pa nag-enter si automated Izanagi mo na may $500 ka na nag-enter ng level 1, marami siyang pinagdaan ng process. Kaya we recommend you can enter level 4 on Izanagi. Are we clear on that? Difference ng shadow technique tsaka Izanagi? Bakit may level 4 si Izanagi? Bakit si Shadow is level 8? Type 100. Okay? Yan. Okay? Yan. Sige, good.
Alright, sige. Let's continue. Tingnan ko
Sige.
lang mamaya kung may mga magandang questions.
Sige, alright. Okay, so let's have a step. Reviewin ko lang ulit ha. Okay, para makita natin lahat dito pala. Lagyan natin. Okay, para ma-explain at dito. Yan. Ito. Izanagi. Shadow. Ayan. Mas maganda siguro lagyan natin ito, Shadow. Yan, okay. Yan. Okay, si Izanagi guys is using itong dalawang to is using the same strategy. Okay? Same yung strategy nila. 5-minute time frame, multiple indicators, PIP interval of at least 20 to 25 or more, no? Si Izanagi is only trading 6 pairs. Si Shadow is trading 29 pairs. Okay? That's the basic. Si Izanagi is more conservative kasi bago siya pumasok ng trade sa market, maraming nagfi-filter sa kanya. Tao behind. Market fundamentals, macroeconomics, lahat. Si Shadow or Shadow 3.0,
Kebs.
walang tao.
Kebs yan,
It's
Kebs.
only utilizing the market itself. Dire-diretso lang siya. Trade lang siya ng trade. Ito, tinitingnan yung emotions ng market. All of that, tinitingnan niya. Kaya, when we advise you to do semi-shadow, mas more conservative kasi siya. Kasi bago pa siya pumasok, tinignan na yung market structure, may fundamentals. Ito, wala. Kaya dito, mas ingat kang papasok.
Mas malalim ito ipapasok.
Malalim kang papasok. Okay, first hand. Ulitin natin. Type 1000, naintindihan mo na ngayon ano pinagkaiba ni Izanagi at semi-shadow at full shadow. Gets? Okay. Sige, type 1. Kung hindi mo pa rin intindihan, ulitin ko sa'yo with all the patience in the world. Type 1. Okay? Meron ka pa rin? Hindi pa rin?
Hindi pa rin yan.
Sige, ulitin natin.
Aka lang.
Okay.
Can I try this time?
Sige, go. Try. Go.
Ganito lang. Si Izanagi is very safe. Marami, yun yung sabi ni John, 6 lang, the top 6 pairs lang ang tinetrade niyan. And then it has so many parameters, finifilter namin yan. So it's very safe. Kasi very safe siya kahit level 4. Kasi tested na yan, kahit level 4, pwede nyo nang sabayan. Okay, si Izanagi. That's the shadow clone or semi-shadow. Si Shadow na bot, may nagtanong nga kanina ko if they're using the same program. Same program, iba lang yung parameters. Si Shadow it's trading all the pairs. Si Izanagi, 6 pairs, the low risk pairs. Si Shadow lahat, even the high risk na pairs, tinitrade niyan. Okay, and that makes it very risky because maraming high risk pairs yan. Okay, and then it trades on its own, walang filter yan, which adds to the risk niya. That's the reason why mas marami siyang mali na trade. So, by history, we studied it. Ang pinaka magandang kopyahin kay Shadow is at level 8 onwards. Kasi nga, very risky siya. So, kaya level 8 tayo magkakopy kay Shadow. Si Izanagi with the semi-shadow, it's already very safe, kaya level 4 lang. So, hopefully, naintindihan nyo na ang kaibahan yan. Very risky si Shadow, that's why mas malalim tayo kokopya. Izanagi is very safe, kaya level 4, kokopyahin na natin.
Okay na ba? May type pa number. Ulitin ko din.
Okay na yan.
Sige, number 1. Meron pa ba? Okay. Okay. Basta si Izanagi is automated bot. Yung $500 mo, kinokopya niya level 1. Okay. So, may sabihin, lahat ng level 1 na trades, kinokopya mo. Sa $500 mo. Tapos, mag-enter ka ng manual level 4. Okay? Si Shadow, hindi mo kinokopya yung level 1. Kasi papasok ka manually, level 8, level 10, ayun yung gagampi pa. Wala kang hindi naka-integrate sa 500 mo yung Shadow. Lahat manual. Si Izanagi combining with your automated plus manual. Now you can do manual which is semi-shadow and more safer. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, pag di pa rin tindihan, baka talagang wala kang Go Markets account at never ka pa talaga Okay, yun yung feeling kong problema. Okay, kailangan mong gumawa ng Go Markets account. Okay, yun yung talagang yun. Okay? At tatanungin na naman yan eh. Bakit di pwede Go XM? Yun yung mga text na to. Later niya na yung tanong. Haba tayo dyan. Okay, text. Ba tayo? Yan, ito tayo. Balik tayo sa presentation. Nasaan na yun? Ayun. Paano tayo delete?
Tuwing ko sa'yo.
Ayan.
Ayan.
Ayan, okay. Okay, so step 1. Balik tayo sa basic. You will have your demo account, may Shadow 3.0. Yung demo account na yun, wala kang pera doon. Ang nakalagay doon na pera, demo, kaya nga demo account eh. Titingnan mo yon, okay? Titingnan mo yon. Maraming trades yun, 29 pairs. O, kung may matrade siya. That's step 1. Wala kang gagawin ha, titingnan mo lang siya. Wala ka ring perang ilalabas doon. Okay, step 2, titingnan mo yung backtesting summary. Okay, ready nyo na makita yung backtesting summary? Backtesting summary tayo. Yan. Sana ba yung backtesting summary? Yan. Okay. Yung backtesting summary, nandun na yan sa Discord. Nakalagay na sa Discord. You can access it already. Okay, sa backtesting summary, makikita mo na yung recommended PIP interval. Okay, so pag di pa rin naintindihan yung PIP interval, probably Izanagi automated ka lang. Hindi ka pa nagsisemi-shadow. So, yun yung eating gap. Okay, PIP interval. So, ibig sabihin, buy 1, buy 2. Yun yung PIP interval. So, PIP interval, it was backtested and it is recommended to use kung gusto mo magano. But you can customize. Okay? The incremental lot size for this is 0.01. So, ibig sabihin, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 5. Now, makikita nyo kay Izanagi 3.0, magbo-bloat siya ng level 4, level 5 na trades. So, ngayon dito, makikita mo, if you follow example OddCAD, tapos yung 3 years na backtesting niya, nag 01, 02, 03, 04, 05, 06, 07, whatever that backtesting dyan, if you start at level 3, your worst drawdown for level 3 ni OddCAD is $196. Sunog ka na ba nito? Yes or no?
No.
Okay? So 3 years to ha? 3 years na performance. Ibig sabihin,
dumaan pa ng 2 gera yan.
2 gera, 3 years,
Inflation.
pumasok ka ng Shadow 3.0. 3.0 ha, hindi Izanagi ha, pero pareho lang yan. Pag i-level lang nila to, 15-minute time frame, mas conservative pa. Okay, so sabihin, pag nakita mo si Shadow 3.0, pumasok ng isang trade, 2 trade at 3 trade at sumabay ka, in the past 3 years, $196 lang yung magiging drawdown mo. Okay? Ibig sabihin, 1.47 yung magiging drawdown mo. So, bumababa yan, yung drawdown mo, pag pumapasok ka medyo late. Okay? Yun ang ibig sabihin ng data na to.
Yeah.
Okay? Odd NZD. Ayan. So, titignan nyo, pag pumasok ka ng level 3, this is level 3. Pag nakita mo Shadow 3.0, may level 3, papasok na ba ako? Kasi based on historical 3 years, ito yung max drawdown niya.
At level 3 na start yan ha, kung level 3 nyo pinasok.
Okay? So, anong pair yung paborito nyo? Pwede nyo pasukan ng level 3 on your screen.
Yung pinakamaliit na drawdown, 19,
Okay.
196. Ngayon may 101, Euro CHF.
Yan.
So, pwede level 3, si Euro CHF.
Okay, so yung mga yan. So, ibig sabihin, this is the past 3 years, fully automated, walang ginalaw. Ito yung naging max drawdown niya. Ngayon, syempre, yun yung gagawin mo. Okay, for example, nakita ko, uy, may level 3. Ang trade is OddCAD. Papasukin ko na ba? Ayan, yun yung step 2. Gets tayo? Okay, step 2. Step 3. Diba? Place your orders. Syempre, yung order has different PIP interval. Anong PIP interval? Nandun sa file. I-check nyo na lang. Step 4. 30% retracement na nandun na rin yung TP sa demo account at ikaw na bahala kung isasabayan mo yung TP or not. Step 5. engage kasi yung mga chat nyo guys, nakakatulong yan sa akin, sa amin ni Sir Lloyd, sa
Oo.
ibang users na mga hindi tumitingin ng demo account. Okay? So that's why please engage. Nakakatulong kayo sa maging milyonaryo din kami. Okay? Okay, engage. Oy guys, OdCAD level 1. O, di ba lahat sasabay na, tagwa 1 lahat, patay. Okay, engage please. Okay, yan ang what community stands for. Okay? Let's step sticks. Double check if your precision is correct kasi sometimes you think it's a micro account but yung pala standard. You think tama yung PIF interval mo, you think tama yung price mo, double check. All right? Gets na ba how to do this? Are you confident now to use the Shadow 3.0 initially?
Grabe itong mga to, level 1 excited na agad. Wag muna sa level 1.
Tara kagad. Okay.
Alright, while waiting for everyone's response. Ayan, we're kidding around. Level 1 is very aggressive. Level 3 pa nga nakita niyo na yung mga drawdown,
Yeah.
diba? So, yan, focus lang talaga. If you're starting Shadow 3.0, yan. Kung pwede pa nga, wag muna real account i-trade mo eh. Follow the steps. You should be okay. Calculated na po namin yan. Tested na po namin yan. So hopefully just follow it. Kasi ayun na. Pinaghirapan po namin yan. Halos wala nang dahilan para masunog kayo.
Correct. Yan. So kita nyo na guys. So alam nyo na. So okay, pasok ba ako level 3 o level 4 ako? Level 5 ako. So pag nakita mo siya, tumalon na siya from 0.3 to 0.4. Okay, so ibig sabihin, pwede papasok ka ba o hindi? Yun ang ibig sabihin. Titingnan mo na dito kaagad. O, ano bang kaya ng account ko? Tama na bang pumasok ko? Now, the insight here guys, only trade the levels that is above 1. Ibig sabihin, you're increasing your profitability if you enter at 1. So example, ito. ODNZD, huwag kang papasok ng level 3 kasi below 1 siya. Yung profit to drawdown ratio. Huwag kang papasok ng CAD CHF at level 3 kasi below 1 siya. Sabihin CAD HCHF, you can only enter level 6 and above. Okay?
Siguro maganda sa chart na yan, Fred. They will have access to that. Lagay natin yung instructions pa rin.
Pwede. Oh, yeah.
Makita
Okay?
pa rin nila.
So, you can see the insight here. So, ibig sabihin, ito, NCD CAD, NCD USD. Okay? Better to enter NCD USD above level 10 for Shadow 3.0. Kasi, even at level 10, it's still way below 0. Okay, so only enter, if you want to increase your profitability, look for trades that is above 1. So, ibig sabihin, at level 3, ang pwede mo lang i-trade at level 3 is above 1 or higher than 1 is odd CAD, odd USD, yes, pwede. Ano yung kita natin kanina, nag-below. Bumababa pala siya. Odd USD, yes, pwede. Okay, odd CHF, pwede. Pero if at above 1, pwede yun, ha? Euro CHF, profit to drawdown ratio. Okay? Next. Sana yun.
Yes, tama. Subo na talaga yung entry and exit. Pipindot na lang talaga kayo.
Correct. Oh.
Just spend 1 or 2 days to really understand it. Andiyan naman kami sa community to answer whatever your question is. And para maintindihan nyo talaga yung system. I know right now, baka medyo nga nag-nosebleed na kayo. Too much information. But madali lang talaga yan. Intindihin nyo lang. And then if ever may hindi kayo maintindihan, the community is there. Kaya nga may part na yan is our Discord. So that you can ask us in the community so that we can guide you.
Yeah. And don't worry guys, this will not be the last last session. Magkakaroon pa tayo ng mga more session about this to let you see guys how this works, and even the coaches or even the admins can support you how to utilize this more. Okay? So, just to give you more updates onto this, risk management tips. Okay? Familiarize and master the lot sizing. Start with 0.01. At the same time, don't be greedy na, okay, papasok ako dito, tapos ganito. Okay? Proportional dapat yan sa balance mo. O, yung pera mo.
Yung the 0.01 na lot size, that's for $500. Okay? So if ever $1,000 ilalagay nyo, that's double. So, pwede kayo mag-start ng 0.02. But even if you have $1,000 there, we recommend kung nag-uumpisa ka pa lang, start with the smallest lang muna. 0.01. It even lowers your risk given. Hanggang sa makuha nyo talaga yung strategy. And that's when you fully put both feet on test the waters na with both feet.
Correct. Okay. So, and another tip is learn. Yung Shadow 3.0 or Shadow technique is really there to optimize for newbies. But if matuto ka more, how to use technical analysis, how to read fundamentals, kaya nandyan yung masterclass eh. The masterclass is really not to make more money kasi kung pera lang yung masterclass, pwedeng mahalan yung course. Pero the point there is for you, actually long term. Kaya may mga bootcamp kasi lahat yan para matuto kayo more how to use this, how to use that, how to all of this, no? Kaya may mga live sessions sa public yun para mag-aral kayo more. Kasi if you want to learn or earn more, you need to learn more. And that's where additional technical analysis can support you.
Yeah.
Number
Ganito lang yan.
4.
Wait. So, to augment on John's point, ganito po yan. First step pa lang si Shadow 3.0. If you learn Shadow 3.0, that's your first step. Okay? Following the lot sizes and everything, that's the first step. If you learn fundamentals, technical analysis, makita nyo na, uy, level 3. Tapos, ang ganda pa ng technical analysis support. Pwede kayong mag-aggressive nun with larger lot sizes. That's how you even increase your profits pag matuto na kayo. That's the next steps. Pag na-master nyo to, we recommend that you join the masterclass. Mas malaki pa kikitain nyo actually. So ito na yung parang signals nyo and then you just use your knowledge para to go aggressive. Yung nangyari na pinost namin kanina was yesterday na trades. Ang nangyari kasi nun, we went aggressive on the trades, on shadowing it. It's because may support siya na maganda. Kaya pinuruhan namin. So you can do that also in the future. Pero for now, start with this lang muna. Then move classes.
Sige, go question.
Yes. In line lang with risk management, there's a question here kasi na how many open trades na kaya per level? Tapos, how many pairs na pwedeng isabay sa 500 USD?
Ayan, okay.
Very good question. I love that
Ito,
question.
nandito sa, nandun na siya, avoid with the same pairs. Tsaka at the same time, look at the backtesting summary. Example. Pero recommended isa lang ha.
Isa lang muna recommended when you're practicing. If you're already executing, you're doing it. Ganito, what we mean by avoid pairs na may base pairs. Example, USD, Euro USD and
Odd USD.
Odd USD. Okay? So, ang problema kasi niyan, pag si USD nagka-problema at against siya sa position mo, pag nag-bad news si USD at pumangit lalo, dalawang set of pairs ang magdo-draw down, magpapabigat sa'yo. So, mas mabilis hihilaan kasi USD, same yung humihila sa'yo eh. So, it's very risky if you do that. Hopefully, you can do that naman if you already know about fundamentals and technicals. Pwede naman. Mas risky lang siya. So, if you're still starting, please, isa lang muna. Isang pair. If nakita mo, una mo nakita si OddCAD, yun lang muna. Focus on OddCAD lang muna. Kahit magbigay ng signal si NZDCHF.
Yeah. And if you notice here guys, no, example ito, nakita na nga backtesting 3 years. Dalawa kang entry. Okay, enter ako level 3, odd CHF, tsaka odd CAD, same. Magsasabayan ng direksyon kasi parehong odd eh. Diba? So pag nagkaroon ka ng worst case scenario, i-compute mo na lang to. Kung makaya pa mabuhay ang account mo. So doon pa lang alam mo na, ay di kaya ng account ko, di ko na lang sasabayan pareho, isa lang. Diba? O lalo na kung tumira ka ng Euro NCD. Diba? Okay. Diba? So, ayan. Uy, may Euro NCD. Tapos ang ganda. Level 10 din si Euro USD.
Sunugan.
Yun. So, huwag ka na magtaka kung $1,000 tapos 500 lang naman ang account mo. Tanong ko, ba't ako nasunog? Kasi tinrade mo lahat ng pairs. Tumipi kasi before. Yun yung problema. Dami kong profit yun. Tinira ko lahat. Pero pag inasar ka ng market, ayun. Yun yung problema.
Yeah.
Kaya dito pa lang, picture mo na, okay, hanggang saan ba kaya account ko?
Very important yan.
So, noted na one pair lang at a time. Pero how
Yes.
many open trades ba per level? For example, level 8 na. Tapos napasok ako, how many trades pwede kong ilagay?
I-open.
Isa-isa.
na kaya ni
Yeah.
500 USD?
It depends.
Depends sa pair. Makikita nyo naman dyan. Let's say for example, 500 USD. If at odd, pwede ka punta ka sa odd card
Ayan,
or
So, ito, yan. Ito, odd ka na, no?
odd card. Pinakauna, para lang hindi mahirapan maghanap. So at level 5, odd card. I mean level 3.
Level 3.
Level 3,
Yes.
196 lang ang drawdown. So at level 3 onwards, historically from level 3, 196 lang ang drawdown niya. So kahit hanggang sa magpunta pa yan, buhay ang account mo.
Yeah. Okay.
Doesn't matter how many positions, historically,
Yes.
mag-up. Worst case scenario, pwede ka naman magdagdag ng funds. Pero historically for the past 3 years, battle-tested through the war, inflation, 196 na pinakamababa inabot niya. So there's a very high chance na yun lang ang drawdown mo.
Very good, very good. So again, you can customize it. We also integrated a shadow calculator. Thank you so much to Ma'am Fe. Aralin nyo to guys because dito pa lang makikita mo na yung drawdown tsaka possible TP mo. Example, you enter aralin nyo to sa bootcamp, libre to. Probably on the bootcamp ni Ma'am Fe, we will invite Shadow 3.0 for those non-masterclass for you to use this. Pero you can download this already. Dito pa lang malalaman mo, pag umabot yung odd card ko ng level 10, level 12, level 15, sunog na pala ako. Pag ganitong lot size, ganitong ipipinterval yung gagamitin ko. So dito, kita mo na kagad yung possible TP mo. At 50% retracement pa to. Pwede mo baguhin yung retracement level. Tuturo to paano. Pero you can utilize this even further if you wanna know more.
Nakita ko yung mga mukha nila, inaaral na nila ngayon. Huwag nyo ngayon aaralin.
Makinig muna kayo. Okay, makinig ko kayo.
Yung mga mukha nila, huwag nyo
Okay.
muna aaralin ngayon. Basta meron tayong
Yeah.
calculator.
The calculator is there, guys, para at least no trading blindly starting 2024. Okay? So, alam mo na kagad, lot size ko is this, drawdown ko is this, historical is this, pwede ako mag-adjust, pwede kong itodo, depende sa akin. Kasi alam ko na kagad hanggang saan yung kaya ng account ko.
Yes.
At possible, magkano kikitain ko. Pero always look into, okay, possible saan ba ako pwedeng masunog. Kita mo na kagad. Now, okay? Early shadow entries means more trades. It can be more profits, guys, kasi nagsusnowball. But at the other side of the coin is at the same time, snowball din yung drawdown mo kasi nag-a-add yung nag-a-add yung lot size mo. So dumalaki din siya. Okay? So optimize it kung saan kaya entry at kaya ba ng account mo, balikan mo yung 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ulit ng risk management tips na.
Yes.
Okay? Yan. Actually, yun na yun, guys. More Q&A now. Game.
Yes, so thank you so much. We're very excited. Actually, feeling ko nga lahat nakatingin na ngayon sa demo account. Choosing which pair to start, but relax lang, guys. Let's learn first before doing that. But very clear, thanks John and Sir Lloyd. Especially for me na I'm a newbie. The shadow tech is clear na when to enter, how many pairs, how much drawdown ang kaya. So let's continue with answering the questions. And later on, we'll be asking from our one and only Madam President. Kasi for the information, everyone, a week pa lang before our launch, we have given credentials na to our beloved family. So if you've received and you've already seen the credentials and the demo account, would like to ask these people as well, ano yung tingin nila kasi they transition from Shadow 2.0 to Shadow 3.0. So we'll ask for their experience. But before that, let's answer a few questions. Okay, first question. Will Shadow 2.0 still be available or will it be removed later on?
Good question. Yan. Good question. Shadow 2.0 will still be there para meron kayong other files na pwedeng galawin. But we will remove and replace the high risk with Shadow 3.0. So, ibig sabihin, tatlo yung pwede natin i-trade. Shadow 2.0, low and mid risk, Shadow 3.0, everything, and Shadow 3.0 on high risk pairs. Pero hindi pa tapos yung backtesting summary and PIP interval recommendation. And even gold.
Nice.
Even gold will be there na. Okay, so yun yung isang
risk
pinakamatindi
appetite,
doon.
may ma-offer tayo dyan.
Yes.
Kung gusto mo ng low risk, mid risk, we have something for them.
Yeah. Even gold, pwede mo na palang i-martingale, no? Oh, yun yung pinakamalupit doon. Oh, yan. Oh, game.
Okay,
Malaliman lang ng
another,
bulsa yun.
pero may backtesting tingnan natin. Maganda.
sige, we're also excited
Go.
for that. Okay, another question. Will there be an Izanagi 3.0? Same like Shadow 3.0?
Isa na get mo na.
Abangan.
Abangan. Marami tayo.
Oo.
Di ba, kick off natin sa 2024, ang dami nating mga improvements.
Yeah.
So, even Izanagi itself, may improvements like kay Izanagi. Abangan nyo lang.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Sige,
Yeah, that's the best answer, I think.
We'll look out for that.
Okay.
Meron naman tayo talagang release more, di ba?
Yes.
Every
Yeah.
once in a while. Okay, here's another question. If sa limit entry ko, followed ang assigned pips, for example, 20, pero ang bot is 30 pips, so parang lugi and lesser ang profit ko?
Ulit.
So parang nag-open siya ng trades, pina-follow niya yung suggested, which is
20
20.
pips.
Pero si robot, 30 pips.
20 pips na yung dinatrade ni robot. Kung ano yung recommended doon, yun yung dinatrade ng robot. So,
Yeah.
magkasabay kayo lagi.
Yeah, okay. So I think also it can be like this. Kung mas mababa yung pip interval mo, automatic mas madami ka makukuha position.
Yes, true.
'Di ba? So pag mas madami kang open position, your risk can be higher, your profits can be higher. The recommended is there because of the volatility and backtesting summary in the past 3 years. If you're gonna utilize that, you can be more protected kasi ganoon yung nangyari sa market eh. Kung bababa ka pa doon, pwede pero it could be your risk.
Yeah. Actually, yung 3.0 is optimized especially sa mga newbies. Ang mga nagtatanong nito yung mga medyo
like example, yung mga ginagawa nila 10 pip interval sa
yung mga
Oddcad.
aggressive na eh.
10 pip interval, meron pa nga 1 pip interval.
So, just to para hindi lang ma-confuse yung mga newbies, right? Pwede ka kasing mag-aggressive. 'Di ba? Sabi namin sa inyo, kahit 30 pips ang interval. Kung susundin niyo 'yon, you follow the projected risk lang natin tsaka profits. You can go aggressive by lowering the pip intervals. Yun yung ginagawa ng iba. Pero yun yung matutunan nyo if you go to masterclass. The more positions you have, the more knowledgeable you are, mas magiging aggressive ka eh. So, pero wag lang kayong wag lang kayong ma-confuse dyan. Just follow what's the recommended, especially sa nagsisimula pa lang.
Correct. Yan. Go kay.
Magandang strategy yun, no, na lower pip intervals. Wow. Bago pa lang ako.
Basta alam mo yung ginagawa mo.
Basta alam mo ginagawa mo.
So, pro tip doon, if nasa major support, pwede yun.
Pag may magandang technical analysis, yes. Yun yung sinasabi natin, if alam niyo yung technical analysis, you can go aggressive, you can go ham, take advantage of it.
Nice. Okay, sige. Here's another question. Hello po, meron po bang recommended lot sizing for different capitals like 500, 1,000, 2,000? Or same lang for lahat?
What was that? Sorry.
Ano po yung recommended lot size for the capital? Like for example,
500
ng
Yeah, $500 0.01.
For 1,000 USD?
0.02. Just double the capital, double the lot size. Ganun lang.
Okay.
Go. More questions.
Yes, marami pa dito. So how do they open an account? And then where do they, how do they access the demo account?
Okay, una, kailangan mo mag-apply for Shadow 3.0. Question is, how do you apply for Shadow 3.0? Sa Discord, you just need to create a Go Markets account under, it's either my link, Sir Lloyd's links, or your leader's link. And then, apply, bibigyan ka ng credentials after. So, magpa-fund ka ng $500 ha. Ibig sabihin.
Ito may magandang question.
Meron kasi, nag-apply. $1 yung nilagay. Paano niya trade yun?
Baka plano niya.
Talaga siya.
Baka ibang
yun
account.
Nga yung nasa isip ko, di ba?
Baka ibang account gusto niya gamitin. So mga nagtatanong dyan, please, we cannot control this, but we strongly recommend that you use Go Markets na account nyo. Kasi si Go Markets ang tumutulong sa atin dito. We want to reward them in return. They're helping us so much para maging libre itong services na ito. Kami gising kahit ganitong oras, Friday night, pang party night, we work for you guys. So, because of Go Markets, because of their sponsorships and their help. So, in return, gamitin po natin ang Go Markets na account ninyo to
Yeah.
do this.
And aside from that, the reason why also for Go Markets, there are millions of dollars in XM using Izanagi already.
Yes, true.
So, ibig sabihin, if you're gonna deposit more for XM, it can actually affect also Izanagi automated. Mga meets dyan, pwede nila ibenta yung trades ng Izanagi sa bangko. O titirahin tayo. Ngayon, kung magpa-fund tayo ng more doon, may mga liquidity provider yung mga yan. Ma-liquidate tayo. So, at least yung manual trading natin nasa iba.
Mm-mm.
And that's for risk management purposes as well. Okay? Aside from that, there are also countries na hindi kayang i-accept ni XM like Canada. There also that can cater from Go Market. So that's why aside from that, the branding for Shadow 3.0 and their support is under Go Markets. Okay? So if you want to fund, huwag mo naman fund ng $1, Brad. 500 para sa iyo yun eh. Kasi 500 minimum.
Meron
Okay.
dito, Prof, if I compare yung level 5 ni Shadow 3.0 and level 8 ni Old Shadow, sino mas mauna mag-enter? Masyado bang conservative kung hintayin ko rin level 8 ni Shadow 3.0 bago mag-enter?
Pag sabay sila,
Oo. Sino mauna
ah,
mag-enter?
mas nauna si 2.0.
Mas aggressive.
Kasi 5-minute time frame siya eh. Pero depends pa din sa kailan
Fair.
sila nagsabay eh.
Tsaka iba yung ano eh, iba yung lot size na kasi ng ano, yung pip intervals na kasi, 'di ba?
Depende pa sa pip interval. Pero sabihin natin siguro on imaginary, nagsabay sila. Sabihin natin odd card, 15 minute. Mas madaming trade si
2.
2.
Mas
Yan.
aggressive pa rin siya.
Okay? Yan, go.
Yes, so
Ito magandang question to. Bakit 7,000 minimum ni Izanagi standard while 5 lang si Shadow 3.0? Good question. Izanagi is you're getting the trades on your $7,000 level 1. Lahat ng trades ni Izanagi from level 1, lahat ng 6 pairs sinitrade mo on your real money. Si Shadow is 500, enter ka sa worst trades lang niya.
Mas filtered na.
Mas filtered, manual. Kaya 7,000. Ito isa 500. Kasi hindi ka naman papasok ng level 1. Pasok ka,
Actually,
level 7, level 8, level
very good.
5, whatever.
So why is $500 lang recommended for Shadow 3.0? Recommended starting lang po yan. How much you really want to put is up to you. Mas malaki, mas better, actually. Actually, ganito po yan. You will have more leeway or you will have more room to wiggle the larger your capital is. Okay? Pwede kang mag-aggressive kung kailangan if you have larger capitals. Ang ginagawa ko nga is with my account, 0.15 ang lot size. Pero yung capital naman is around $5,000. So maliit yung lot size, pero kasi malaki yung capital, I can go aggressive. So depende po 'yan. You can adjust to your own strategy in the future. Pero ito yung starting point eh. So we recommend with this lot sizing and capital, and then create your own capital na you're comfortable with in the future. So depende po talaga yan sa inyo. Recommend starting lang talaga is $500 kasi calculated na namin yan. Hindi kayo masusunog. Until such a time na makuha mo yung strategy, you master it, increase it as much as you want. Depende na siya yan.
True.
yes, thank you, coaches. Here's another question pala. I understand si Shadow is fully automated, but pwede po ba mag-manual intervention or do you do manual intervention
Shadow
for
3.0?
possible Black Swan events? Or
Okay,
fully
for Black Swan
automated talaga
events,
siya?
ang suggestion ko is do not enter, wag kang mag-set order ng 10. 5-5 lang.
Para di mo
Lima-lima lang.
makain lahat.
Para di mo kainin lahat. Yun yung default. Kaya pansin nyo, always 5 lang talaga yung recommendation. Para pag nag-spike siya, di 5 levels lang. May pangkain ka ng drawdown. Okay? For manual intervention, for now, we will do our best. Pero our priority is Zenagi 2.0 for manual intervention. Kasi si 3.0, ba't may manual intervention and manual trading naman kasi tayo doon. So, probably, yeah, but again, the priorities Izanagi as manual intervention. Yan. Go.
Okay. So if you have more questions, please, let's continue the chats and see you in Discord. In the meantime, tanungin natin yung taong nakapag-make na po ng milyon based ng Shadow and ask her perspective and experience in terms of having 1 week with Shadow 3.0. Okay ba, John? Interview
Yeah,
natin,
sure.
Yeah.
ask for
Sige.
testimony and
Before we
experience.
introduce Miss Alabaw, gusto ko kasi may mga newbies tayo dito hindi pa kilala si Miss Alabaw eh.
Yes,
So
go.
I just wanna add additional info to them. Miss Alabaw is actually nagsha-shadow na siya na hindi pa natin linalabas si shadow. Okay. She's a trader and when she was trading manually on her own, nasusunog siya lagi. Then she was just an Izanagi user. She was wondering why si Izanagi never nasusunog at laging positive yung trades at ang taas ng win rate. So because of that question that she had, she experimented with Izanagi at sinasabayan niya yung mga trades ni Izanagi. And dun niya napalaki yung pera niya. Sinasabayan niya si Izanagi. Actually, she was already doing shadow without knowing that shadow is a possible strategy rin pala. We were just planning out na ilalabas namin si shadow. She was already doing it. So advance siya mag-isip. And she very proud to say that she was able to she's isa siya sa mga sikat sa shadow community natin. 40,000 pesos nakapag-profit siya ng 2 million. More than 2 million na even ngayon. But she started with just 40,000 pesos na capital. So that's the amazing story of Miss Alabaw. Siya yung isa sa mga pinauna natin na pinagamit ng Shadow 3.0 and we are going to meet her now. Go Kai!
Iyon, go kay.
Yes, so what a nice introduction. May background pa. So anong past history, no? So ladies and gentlemen, let's meet Madam President Al
Madam
Abaw.
President!
Madam
Please.
President.
Morning. Grabe na yan. Oo naman.
Please,
Ah.
pa-share din na po ng video para we can also meet you.
Oh my gosh.
Kung okay lang po, Madam.
Relax.
Single yan, single. Single.
Ako. Yan. Okay, madam.
Sabi, I can, daw,
you
unable to
can
start
open
with.
video. Okay, go. Yan.
Sige, go.
Okay na. Yan.
Yun.
Ay, mali.
Yun!
Oh,
Agaw,
diba? Oh.
easy.
Hello!
Good morning, Miss Al.
Good morning.
Okay,
Anong
go.
question? My God.
Yes,
Go ahead.
iba po.
Kamusta yung Shadow 3.0 after using it for a week already?
Ano yan?
Yan.
Ah, okay.
Hello.
Hello.
Yan.
Yeah, I'm
Mhm.
here.
Okay, go. Narinig mo kami?
Kamusta po yung Shadow 3.0, ma'am? From 1 week.
Yeah, ang ano niya is hindi ko na yung nintindihan kasi yung 0.50, 'di ba? Yun yung level 5 niya, 'di ba? So doon tayo
Yes.
mag-enter. Okay, kasi pinag-aralan ko siya last week. So I guess parang may mga ibang, actually may mga list na ako ng mga lahat na naman magtatanong mamaya. Yung mga pairs na madaling mag-exit. So
Ready na po
tapos
kami mag-lista, madam. Sige, go ahead.
tapos yung may mga pairs na umaabot siya na hanggang more than level 5, 6 something ganyan. So sineseparate ko siya. So chine-check ko lang sa demo kung ano yung ini-enter ko na nagtitipi siya kahit na level 2. So, yun yung inaano ko. Pero hindi pa masyado ako bali hindi ko pa siya masyado ginagamit kasi nga para baka kasi 'di ba for 1 month lang okay, tapos kapag si market nagloloko baka 'di ba. So the best pala yung level 5 na siya mag-enter. But for just a week na pinag-aralan ko, may mga pairs talaga siya na very siya nagtitipi ka agad siya ng level 2. So, for me, baka wag na lang gayahin ng iba kasi nga,
Aggressive masyado level 2. Level 5 yung tinuturo natin. Si Miss Al, level 2 na agad. May
wag
lista na
lang,
para sa level 2.
Nagtatangka ka, gagawa ka na naman ng isang malupit na tarak na ano ha.
kasi nga baka yung iba kasi nga yung gagamitin ko na is yung may malaking equity. So yung may mga maliit na equity, wag mo nang gayahin tong ano. So wag na kayo maghingi ng list ko kasi, 'di ba? Very siya.
Wag level 2, please. Mamaya na yan,
Wag
pag
yung
magaling
level
na
2.
kayo.
Hindi
Pero
tarak
grabe
yun
yung odd
po,
card yung odd card lupit yun
hindi
eh.
hindi tarak yun. Nilalagay ko is 0.30 sa equity ko na 30K, 0.30 yung nilalagay ko sa level 2. But yun nga, yun yung list ng mga pairs ko na pinag-aralan ko na dapat ko enter. But hindi siya kasali sa mga list na na level 2, so hindi ko na ina-enter. Yung ganun. So,
Mamaya na
yun
yan, Miss Al. Ano lang muna. What do you think? Kamusta yung Shadow 3.0 as a newbie, or how do you think, is it better for the newbies, especially sa mga magsisimula pa lang mag-shadow?
Actually, oo. Kasi nga, mas siya, very, siya, tawag nito. Kasi kino-compare ko ng 2.0 at saka 3.0. Yung 2.0, grabe yung drawdown niya. But this 3.0 is hindi siya nagdo-drawdown ng ganyang kalaki. Yung
Nice,
parang
nice.
lang, oo, very oo, pero yun nga lang, dapat hindi kayo mag-enter kagad at level 1 kasi nga delikado lalo na yung equity niyo is maliit pa. So yung inaano ko is yung recommended nyo na nasa level 5 na
Huwag mo na yung
0.50.
level 1, Miss Al.
Oo,
Yung ano lang
wag yung
muna.
level 1. Wag yung
Mamaya na yan.
level 1.
Later in the community, we can talk about the levels, experiences, and everything. Ngayon, I just want to ask, even me, I want to ask this one. Yung when it comes to mas madali ba siyang gamitin, mas madali bang maghanap ng mag-execute ngayon with all the information available sa 3.0?
Madali nga kasi nga siya, very yun ng given na lahat spoon feed na tayo nito 'di ba? May mga ilang levels na yung intervals na nilagay na ilang intervals bawat pair may different intervals. Yung odd card 20 pips, yung odd NCD parang nasa 30 o hindi ko na So yung mga ganun, may mga ka na, hindi mo na iisipin na magkano or i-compute kung magkano yung intervals ko per pair. Parang ganun. Kasi na
Yeah.
lahat parang TP.
Yes,
Saka
tama.
may SL na rin, di ba? Yung stop loss. Lahat-lahat tayo spoon feed lang gagayahin mo na. Hindi gaya sa atin dati, di ba? Na anong ilang pips ba dapat ng
Yung
interval ko?
TP, yung TP, hanapin pa
Oo,
natin.
yung TP hahanapin pa. Eto may TP na. Lahat na spoon feed na Wala na sigurong dahilan para masunog yung
May question dito si Arnie, Miss Al. Sabi niya, mas cute pag walang glasses pala si Miss Al.
Reaction yun Hindi ka nakikinig sa sinasabi Joke lang.
May heart pa. May heart. Mas cute pag walang glasses, may heart. Ano po yung mga tips nyo? Kasi Ma'am Al, bago po ako sa Shadow, ano po yung mga tips nyo? Wag lang po yung level 1 ha. Very,
Ogo.
very safe po sa mga newbies po. Tips po, pwede
Grabe,
i-apply for
level
us.
1.
Okay, tips. Pro tip.
Pro tip po.
Kasi yun nga, nakadepende din kasi sa equity nyo kung saan kayo magano. Kasi yung recommended talaga natin is 500. So start at the very low lot size, no? Huwag muna
Yes.
kayong yung magtarak-tarak kasi nga parang kung newbie pa naman kayo, you need to to start on what
Compare
are
yan in terms
recommended.
natin
Recommended talaga natin. Kasi nga, tsaka wag din kayo ma-hype dun sa group natin na malalaki na yung mga gains.
Yeah, true.
Nice, nice, yeah.
Oh, yung
Related lang.
follow your own space na lang talaga, 'di ba? Kasi din darating din kayo doon. Tapos follow talaga what are recommended tapos hindi ka baka baka yung enter ako magtatarak ako lalaki yung gain you don't think of gains for now. Diyan ako nag-start Diyan din ako nasunog dati, 'di ba? So
All right.
Oh, so based ng experience ko, wag muna kayong ma-hype doon sa mga nagtatarak na. So just focus muna kung paano kayo magsisimula, 'di ba?
Guys, focus muna sa Shadow 3.0, wag sa love. Ano daw ang requirements para maging boyfriend mo, madam? Naging ano na to, mga, iba na yung mga tanong, hindi na Shadow 3.0 eh.
At
Ano daw?
Blind.
May Facebook.
pwede.
May FX mo.
Yun
Pwede.
yung requirement ni
Okay,
Miss
ramen.
Miss Al
Send,
Aba.
Oh.
send
Ay,
my FX.
1,000% na may Facebook.
Diba? Oh.
Yan.
Wait, sleep na lang daw. Ano
Sakto
ba
yan.
sabi, sir?
Dapat habulin nyo siya sa Discord 2.0 na ilalabas namin. Oh.
Yes.
Pag nandun na sa Hall of
correct.
Famer yung ano nyo, pwede na kayo mag-apply.
Yes. Thank you,
Okay,
Miss
okay.
Al. Very
Thank you so much, Miss
insightful
Al.
Thank you, Al.
advice. Now, wag ma-FOMO and follow the lot size. So,
Yes.
I'll take note of that. So, we'll also meet another one person here. Please introduce John kasi mas kilala mo siya.
Yeah.
We'll also be
Sige,
sharing
sige.
Ako na. Yeah.
experience din kung paano
Yeah.
ba yung
Go,
Shadow
go, pre.
3.0
Sige,
right
so
now.
si Art, this person, si Art, is also one of our millionaires last year. He was able to earn 6 million
6
pesos.
millionaires.
Amazing.
6 million last year doing shadow, doing all of that. But majority of his wins is coming from shadow technique. Yan. Si-meet natin. Tingnan natin yung insight ni Art. Hello, Art.
Hello,
Yan.
sir.
Yun, oh.
Hey,
Oh.
Prof.
Yan. Go. Go question, Kai.
Yun. Same question po. Kamusta po yung Shadow 3.0 sa 1 week niyo pong nakita sa mga trades ngayon?
Yun. Thank you kay Sir Lloyd at saka kay Prof. Jan kasi isa ako sa binigyan ng privilege na magkaroon ng early access dun sa 3.0. And yeah, comparing with 2.0, naging feel ko sobrang user-friendly niya. Let's remove the user. Gawin nating trader-friendly na lang. Yan. Kasi nga nandun na lahat. Meron ka ng TP, meron ka ng stop loss. May nag-comment kanina na pipindot ka na lang, which is literally talagang gano'n na lang yung gagawin mo. But then again, kasi sa dami ng pairs na tinitrade niya, kailangan mo maging selective. Pipili ka, i-analyze mo. Nandun pa rin dapat yung trader mindset mo na magte-technical analysis ako, aralin ko muna lahat kung ano man yung pairs na papasukin ko. Kasi nga, sa sobrang dami niya, baka malito ka or lahat tarakan mo and yun yung dahilan para masunog ka pa. So, sabi nga nila, one at a time, hindi pwedeng lahat makuha mo eh. Yung market, nandyan lang yan. Kung kukuha ka ng pairs, piliin mo yung tingin mo, best pair na magpo-profit ka agad. Kasi the more or the easier na maka-profit ka, the more trades na pwede mong magawa. Okay? So,
Yun.
yeah. And then, yun nga, kailangan match yung match yung equity versus yung sa risk mo, sa DD management. Kasi, kung hindi nyo man natatanong, pero yung mga accounts na ginagamit ko is nasa 20K ang mga equity. So, hindi lang isa, but marami akong accounts na 20K na yung equity. And kahit na ganun kalaki yung equity ko, hindi ako aggressive na 0.5 or 1 agad yung lot size. Nag-start pa rin ako dun sa bottom. As much as possible, ginagawa ko 0.1, and then yung incremental niya is 0.1 pa rin. So 0.1, 0.2. So hindi ako nag-jump agad dun sa tarak mode na gano'n.
Very
Kasi
good.
na-establish ko na yung process ko eh. Na kahit maliliit yung lot size ko, consistent naman yung kita ko. Pag tinotal ko lahat ng income ng aking mga accounts, malaki rin siya. So at the end of the day, kung na-meet mo na yung quota mo, bakit ka pa maghahangad ng mas marami na mas mataas yung risk na masunog ka?
Yes.
True. Yeah.
Yun.
Magaling na mga advice ng mga millionaires natin. Lupit na.
May question ako, Art.
Yes, Sir Guy.
Okay lang ba sa boss mo yung nasa likod na nagtitrade ka habang nagtatrabaho?
Actually, ako rin.
Paupunta din yan.
ano?
Nasa Ilocos, I think nasa La Union ako niyan. Pumipirma ako ng
Ah,
something dun sa sa
Kala ko yung
school.
boss niya nakikinig sa nagzo-zoom siya dito.
Yes, pero
Ayan,
Sir
ayan,
Art,
go.
I'd like to echo what you said, no, na parang expert ka na nga, but like what you said, this is very trader friendly, especially for me na bago. Pero huwag mong kalimutan yung fundamentals. Na you
Yes.
still have to go back, chart ka pa rin, kasi 'di ba, it will add up to your confidence and choose just one pair at a time.
Mm.
True.
Advice. Thank you so much. I'm learning from the best. O, di ba? Libre to, guys.
Yeah.
Tama.
All right. Thank you, Al. So, anong oras dyan sa inyo?
Nakamute si Al.
Nakamit ka?
Ayan, agad.
Oh, 7:32 na AM.
Oh,
Good
yeah. Aga naman
morning.
ginising. Good morning. Ayan.
No.
Thank you, Al. Thank you, Art,
Thank you, Sir
for
Art.
that.
Thank
Guys,
you,
kung
Ma'am
may
Thank you
Apple.
po.
inspire kayo
Thank
yung
you.
dalawa, ang gawin yung inspiration. Ang lulupit niyan.
For sure,
Okay?
marami nang mag-PPM nito.
Yeah.
Nakapajama pa si Madam Pres. Hindi pajama yan. North Face kaya yun. Jacket yun na mamahalin.
Plug-in ko na rin. Copy Trading XM is, Al is getting famous there. Super. Okay. Kasi bantay na niya Didikila.
Oo nga eh, no?
Bantay na Didikila sa Copy Trading.
Oo.
I think mas mataas na nga yata siya ngayon sa kanya yun eh.
So, kamusta naman si
Oo.
Tristan, mga sir? Isa din sa
Oo,
mga
diba?
millionaire
Oo,
before,
yeah.
di ba?
Yeah. Alright, yun lang. Go kay.
Yeah, so thank you so much, John. And, di ba, ang tambalang John Lloyd. So for everyone else, please naman chat 1,000 kung nakuha. May natutunan ba tayo with Shadow 3.0 ngayon? Are we excited? But with a grain of salt na we have to go back to the basics and learn. We still have to be very safe and careful, di ba? 1 million. So thank you so much again. If you want to join Shadow 3.0, open a Go Market account. If you
Use the
don't
links.
have,
Use the links lang. Use the links ng
use
mga
the
leaders
links.
ninyo.
Oo.
Yes, please check Discord for our links. If you already have one, make sure it's funded and then fill in the forms. We'll check on it and you'll receive SMS or emails for the password credentials. And pa-plug ko lang din dyan, we have sales support already who will be calling you,
Wow.
help you out if you need help in opening account or whatever concerns you have. So, Jaya will be calling you out. Additional namin po na service para mas better pa yung trading experience niyo with us. So, any last words, Sir John and Lloyd?
Three last words. Oh, grabe naman.
Grabe.
Before we go, naka-red pa naman si Sir Lloyd.
Alang. Hopefully, right. Please, this is still on the early phase, yung Shadow 3.0. So please understand na kung meron man tayo makita ng mga problema moving forward, let us know so that we can improve on the services. But our goal for Shadow 3.0 is to really make shadow trading as effective as it is already yung Shadow 2.0 natin. We want to make it even easier for you, even mas madali na kumita kayo. Hopefully that happens. If you have any ideas you want to improve on or meron kayong makita na you think you can improve, like Sir Ma'am Fe, di ba? Nag-submit siya ng nagbigay siya ng shares sa community ng drawdown calculator, which was very helpful to everyone. If you have any recommendations, please let us know so that we can improve our services even more para mas madali yung pagyaman nating lahat. Sabay-sabay nga tayong yumaman di ba? Let's get rich together, sabi.
Yan. And as for me, of course, a community is a community. It's a group of people, no? Putting efforts to one another to hatakan pataas at the end of that tunnel, at the end of that road. So let's stay a community. Let's align our values, risk management, and progress together. Thank you so much, everybody.
Miss Kai, any last words? Gumanti.
Yeah, so thank you so much, guys. And we're here to really support you. Enjoy the rest of the evening, morning, afternoon, wherever you are. See you in the chats. Bye-bye.
Bye, guys.